Hey y'all, and welcome back to Homegrown Hydroponics Cooking Series, where we explore what is possible with homegrown veggies and herbs that go beyond just a simple salad. Today's recipe will be a kale pesto with roasted broccoli. For this recipe, you'll need 3 garlic cloves, 1 small bunch of kale that is torn and the large stems are removed, a 1/4 cup of pine nuts, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 servings of a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1/3 cup of grated parmesan cheese, 16 ounces pasta, 1 small bunch of broccoli, salt, and pepper. Begin by placing all your kale and 2 garlic cloves in your food processor. Next, put the lid on and begin pulsing your greens to break them down, and make sure that the garlic cloves get chopped up and finely minced. After your initial run, remove the top and add your remaining garlic clove, half of your parmesan cheese, and half of your pine nuts. Place the lid back on and begin running your food processor. While running, begin pouring your olive oil and continue to running to create a homogeneous mixture. Also, while having your food processor running, begin streaming in your lemon juice. At this point, add the rest of your parmesan cheese and pine nuts. You can also season lightly with salt and ground pepper. Once again, mix everything together. Make sure that you scrape down the pesto that has collected on the side of your processor's bowl and mix that in with the rest. Finally, give your pesto the old taste test and make the necessary adjustments. Add more salt or pepper, then with olive oil or pasta water, or add more Parmesan cheese if needed. Next, prepare your pasta according to the package's directions. Here are some quick tips for cooking your pasta. Make sure that you're using crisp filtered water when cooking your pasta. Rinsing your cooked pasta isn't always necessary. If you plan on serving your pasta cold, you should always rinse your pasta once it's done. Finally, save your pasta water once your pasta has been cooked, as it can be used for many purposes in the kitchen, like thickening sauces, The final thing to do, and you should do this while you're cooking your pasta, is to roast your broccoli. Begin by pouring the other 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil on top of your separated broccoli florets. Mix your broccoli by hand, making sure that all your florets are coated in olive oil. Now season your broccoli florets with salt and pepper and mix them by hand. After mixing and seasoning your florets, spread them in a single layer over a foil-covered baking sheet. Now place them in an oven that has been preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and cook them for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove from the oven once time has passed and place the roasted broccoli on top of a plate of pasta and pesto. Finally, you can top your pasta with shredded Parmesan cheese and you can serve. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Subscribe to our channel for more future recipes and follow us on social media for updates, other recipes, and ideas.